Hi guys, welcome. As we do this problem, I read the question first. Given that x plus 3 is a factor of x cubed plus 9x squared plus 8x plus 24, find the value of a and the other factors. So guys, this equation is made up of factors. And so therefore guys, we begin by coming and dividing the equation with the x plus 3. So for us to do that, guys, we come and find what, if we multiply here a number to give us x cubed, that is if we multiply that number by x, that is x squared. So guys, we write x squared right there. So this gives us x cubed plus 3x squared, like that, and then we can now subtract. Guys, see, we subtract, we get, this is 0, this is 6x squared. We can now bring down that so that we have plus ax. Guys, we look also for another number that if we multiply, we get 6x squared. That is if we multiply by x, and that is 6x. So this one becomes 6x squared. Multiply that by 3. Here we get 18x. Guys, now we subtract. This will give us ax. This one is 0. This one is ax minus 18x. And guys, we can now bring down this so that we shall have plus 24. From there, guys, we can check for a number. Because remember, these have 3 factors. Because this is a quadratic equation. And so we expect our equation to reach up to there. And so therefore, guys, since we don't know this value, we work with this value and we'll find a number. If you multiply by 3 will give us 24, and that is 8. So guys, we have 24 here. And here, guys, we shall have 8x. So it shall be like that. And this should give us 0. And guys, this should also give us 0. That means, guys, that ax minus 18x is supposed to be equal to 8x. I can actually write that here. Ax minus 18x is supposed to be equal to 8x. And that is, guys, it should give us 0. And so therefore, guys, we find the coefficient of x both sides. For this side, we have 8. For this other side, we can factor out the x. We are left with a minus 18. This is equals to 8x. And so therefore, the coefficient of x on both sides should be equal. Therefore, a minus 18 should be equal to 8. Guys, therefore, a is equals to 18 plus 8, which is equals to 26. Therefore, guys, we are able to find the value of a. Guys, we look for the other factors. And as you can see, our equation there is x squared plus 6x plus 8. And guys, we come here and say x squared plus 6x plus 8. Look for two numbers. If you multiply, you get 8. If you add, you get 6. And that is 4 and 2. So you have x squared plus 4x plus now 2x plus 8. Guys, now we can divide this into 2 like that. And now we can factor out x there. We are left with x plus 4. We can also factor out here 2. We are left with x plus 4. And therefore, guys, our 2 factors then is going to be x plus 2 and x plus 4. So therefore, guys, this is our solution. Thank you guys for listening to me.